Oh, absolutely! I'd be happy to! By the way, that's $190,000 in awards you see behind me. But here's the statement. How about the $7,700 we've done today alone? And in August, $67,000. Oh, but wait. Let me refresh this back to July 1st. Just in the last 45 days, okay? So let's just refresh this back here. Go to July 1st to here. And let's... Oh, what's that? July 1st? $158,000. But wait! There's more! And just for the haters, we'll refresh. How about we refresh one more time? Then we'll go down to just this year alone. We'll start off just this year. Oh! Oh! But wait, there's more! Here's more. Oh, there's some more money. The best part is, our students are even duplicating our success. Check it out. So this is our Trello board. This is where our company keeps track of all our student wins and everything that goes on within our business. And just wanted to show you guys a few wins here. So this is a win from one of our students, Jessica, who actually did over $10,000 with our program in just her first 22 days online, right? And she earned 2 more high tickets there. Simran has also earned herself a $10,000 award. Our student Salvatore and coach, who helps coach our program, also has done over $35,000 since we've launched our program. There's Sandra's $10,000 award. There's a bunch of our students' $10,000 awards. And the list just goes on with student wins, student wins, student wins, student. But wait, I'll even go one step deeper. So this is my statement of income and returned earnings from last year. So this is my end of year report. Revenue, expenses, income before taxes, income after taxes, right? Retained earnings, and retained earnings end of the year. Okay, let's start. Oh, $189,000 I did last year. But look at all these write-offs. Look at all these write-offs. $35,000 in travel alone I wrote off. I was able to write off over $60,000 in expenses, bringing my total revenue to $128,000, and I was only taxed $14,000 on that. Retained earnings at the end of the year was $114,000 in my account. Now, I ain't here to prove you wrong or anything, because quite frankly, I could care less. I'm just here to show you guys how amazing high-ticket affiliate marketing is and how it's changed me and my family's lives forever, not including the hundreds of students' lives that we're changing in the process. So if you want to learn how, I want you to follow me and comment warriors in below. See you on the inside.